Auzubillahi Minashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning and Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. How are you all? How are you doing at home? We hope you are doing good and taking care of yourself and you're doing your work accordingly. I'm Samia Kaval. I'm working in Peria Town International Academy as a prep class teacher. This is our maths lecture of C2. Welcome to all of you. Let's start our day in the name of Allah Ta'ala. So everyone raise your hand for dua for learning. That is Rabbi Zidni Ilma. O Allah, increase me in knowledge. Ameen. Here is Surah Falaq. We are going to revise it today. So everyone please fold your arms and sit straight. And you have to read it with me. Look at your screen now. Repeat after me. Surah Falaq. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kul a'udhu bi rabbil falaq. Kul a'udhu bi rabbil falaq. Min sharri ma khalaq. Min sharri ma khalaq. Wa min sharri ghasikin iza waqab. Wa min sharri ghasikin iza waqab. Wa min sharri nafasati fil uqad. Wa min sharri nafasati fil uqad. Wa min sharri hasidin iza hasad. Wa min sharri hasidin iza hasad. So my dear friends, you have to revise it, you have to memorize it on daily basis before going to sleep. You have to read it so you can learn it easily. Come on, next. What you need for today's lecture, look at your screen. The first one is your maths workbook C2, one pencil and eraser, and you need some colors. Make sure you have all these things near to you so you can do your work easily. What are the objectives of today's lesson? Compare height and capacity using non-standard units of measurement. In this unit, in this lesson, you will learn about height and capacity of objects, different kind of objects, and then practice simple addition. We are going to revise the concept of addition. Compare volume using non-standard units of measurement. Yes, you will learn about the volume of the different objects. So let's start it. Everyone open page number 35 on C2. Take your maths workbook C2 and page number 35, 35. You can see on your screen now. Unit number 5, page number 35. Activity 5.3, and this is about big and small tents. You can see on your page there are two types of tents. But before doing this page, what you have to do, you will write today's date. And what is the date today? 2.12.2020. Yes, November 11 is finished now. Here is December 12, the last month of the year, and today is the second day of December. So we are writing 2.12.2020 space h.t again space, and the day is Wednesday. In Wednesday, W should be capital. Where you are going to write? My arrow is telling you top of the page. Here you will start from this corner, your left corner, and touch with the line and write your date in proper format, please. Then come down, look at the number line, find out which number are missing here. You need to write them. Number 11 and 12. Two numbers are missing here. 11, 1, 1, 11 and 1, 2, 12. Then rest of the numbers are written. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Then come down. Look at the activity, big and small tents. The tents have different shapes. Yes, you can see both tents have different shapes. Filling the blank with the taller or shorter. You have to write one correct word here in this blank. So let's see. The boys' tent is dash than the girls' tent. Which tent is taller or which tent is shorter? You need to find out. The boys' tent is dash than the girls' tent. The boys' tent is taller. You are going to write the word taller here. T-A-L-L-E-R. Taller than the girls' tent. Now come down. Boys, 12 boys can stay in the boys' tent. Let's count the boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, these 12 boys can stay in this tent and the 8 girls can stay in the girls' tent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, 8 girls are here and they can stay in this tent. So, we will write the boys' tent is taller than the girls' tent because 12 boys can stay in the boys' tent. Now they are saying compare the two tents and filling the blanks with the boys and the girls. The dash tent can hold more people than the dash tent. So here are 12 boys. What does it mean? This tent is big, taller and this is shorter. So the boys' tent can hold more people than the girls' tent. In this blank you are going to write girls. You can see. And filling your blanks with boys and girls. Come on the next page. Page number 36, 3636. You can see on your screen now. 5.4 activity and this is about bowls of noodles. So before doing this page, you are going to write the same date 2.12.2020 space age.t again space and the same day Wednesday. You will write top of the page. My arrow is telling you. Start from the left corner of the page. Complete your date, then come down, find out the missing numbers in a number line. 11, 12 is already written. Then what comes after 12? 13. 1, 3, 13 and then 14. 13 and 14 are missing here. You are going to write them. Then 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Bowls of noodles. The children are eating noodles. Are they eating noodles? Yes, they are eating noodles. But they are asking count and filling the blank. The first box can hold 10 bowls of noodles. The first box can hold 10 bowls of noodles. Let's count the bowls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 4 are out of the box. They are eating. How many more bowls of noodles are needed to fill the first box? Yes, how much space we have in first box? 6 are already in the box, so they are written. There is written 6 plus dash is equal to 10. How many numbers we are going to add in 6? Then we can get the number 10. Let's check the space. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can adjust 4 more bowls of noodles in first box. So you are going to write number 4 in the blank. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. You can make lines as well. Make 6 lines on number 6 and then 4 lines on number 4. Then count them together. Then you will get number 10. Your answer is, here you are going to write number 4. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Then filling the blank with the more or fewer. You have 2 words and you have to choose one word, the correct one. What they are asking, the second box can hold dash bowls of noodles than the first box. That was first box and here is the second box. Let's count the boxes of noodles, bowls of noodles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There were 10 bowls and here are 12 bowls of noodles in second box. So the second box can hold more bowls of noodles than the first box. We are going to write the word more. Write the spellings of more. M-O-R-E. More. Second box can hold more bowls of noodles than the first box. And this was about concept of addition. Come on the next page. Come on next page, page number 37. You can see on your screen now 3737. Everyone open it and then write the same day top of the page 2.12.2020 space is dot t again space and the day is Wednesday. Write the same day top of the page where you are going to write. My arrow is telling you here. Then come down. Find out the missing numbers in the number line. 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, now 15 and 16 are missing here. So write 15, 1, 5, 15, then 1, 6, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Then come down activity 5.5 and this is about water containers. You can see 2 girls in a picture and what they are going to do. Let's read. The girls are going to get water from the river. Yes, they are going to get water from the river. So, which container should they choose? Which container should they choose? Circle the 2 containers that can hold the most water. No, now you have to find which container can hold the most water. 2 containers you have to choose, you have to circle. Here are some objects, some containers. You can see you need to find the big one. Look at this. This is very small. This is also very small. This cup. Look at this one. Yes, this is the big container. It can hold the most water, so you can circle this container or this one, the red one and the purple one. Circle them. And this is about compare volume using non-standard units of measurement. So come on the next page, the last one. Page number 38, you can see on your screen. Everyone open this page. 38. Write the same date 2.12.2020 space h.t again space and the day is Wednesday. You are going to write top of the page here. Then come down, look at the number line. Yes, again 2 numbers are missing here. You need to write them. Start from 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, then 17. Write here 1, 7, 17 and then 1, 8, 18 and 19 and 20. Then 5.6 activity, and this is about boiling water. Sidra wants to boil water. Yes, Sidra wants to boil water. She fills the kettle with 3 mugs of water. What she did? She filled the kettle with 3 mugs of water. The kettle can hold 7 mugs of water. She have done with 3, but the kettle can hold 7 mugs of water. How many more mugs of water are needed to fill the kettle? Now here is the question for you, the blank, and this is about subtraction as well. They are saying filling the blanks. 7 minus 3. Why they are writing here 7 minus 3? Because kettle can hold 7 mugs. So number 7 is here, minus 3. Why they are putting here minus 3? Not just plus 3. They can put plus 3 as well. Excellent, because she has done with 3 mugs of water. So we have to minus, we have to subtract them. How many more mugs of water are needed to fill the kettle? 7 minus 3 is equal to dash. What you have to do? You have to make 7 lines here on number 7. In this sign, in this concept of subtraction, what we do? Yes, we always cross the objects, always cross the lines. So you are going to make just 7 lines and cross the 3. Cross the 3 lines, and you need to count the leftover lines. How many lines are left? That will be your answer, and you are going to write here. And your answer is 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Your answer is 4. 4 more mugs of water are needed. 4 more mugs of water are needed to fill the kettle. You have to write 4 in this blank as well. So this is all about today's lecture. Stay home, stay safe. Take care of yourself and play, laugh and learn. Remember us in your prayers. See you next week, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.